Are you tired of the daily commute? Do you dream of a life with more freedom? Imagine earning a good income without leaving your home. This is not just a dream anymore. For thousands of Filipinos, this is their reality. This is the power of freelancing. It's a new way to work, a new way to live. The world is changing, and so is the way we earn a living. The digital age has opened up a global marketplace. You can now offer your skills to clients from all over the world, right from your living room in Cebu, your home office in Davao, or your dining table in Manila. This is your chance to redefine what success means for you and your family. The freelance life offers incredible benefits. You get to be your own boss. You set your own hours. You decide which projects you want to work on. This flexibility is a game changer. You can spend more time with your loved ones. You can attend your child's school events without asking for permission. You can pursue hobbies you never had time for. No more rush hour traffic. No more office politics. Just you, your skills, and the freedom to design your life. It's about creating a work-life blend that truly works for you, giving you control over your time and your career path in a way that traditional employment often cannot. Think about the possibilities. You could be earning in dollars while living in the Philippines. This can significantly increase your purchasing power. It can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Maybe you want to save for a new house. Perhaps you want to fund your children's education. Or maybe you just want to travel and see the world. Freelancing can be the vehicle that takes you there. Many successful Filipino freelancers, like the virtual assistants I've interviewed on my podcast, started with a simple laptop and a dream. They proved that with determination, anyone can succeed in this industry and build a better future. So, where do you begin this exciting journey? It starts with a simple decision. A decision to take control of your career. A decision to invest in yourself. This guide is your roadmap. We will walk you through every step. We will show you how to find your skills. We will teach you how to build a winning profile. We will guide you on how to find your first clients. The opportunity is here. The time is now. Your freelance journey starts today, and you have a whole community of Filipino freelancers ready to cheer you on. Let's get started and unlock the amazing future that awaits you in the world of freelancing. First, let's talk about skills. What can you offer to the world? You might think you have no special skills, but you are wrong. Everyone has something valuable to offer. Think about what you are good at. Are you organized? You could be a great virtual assistant. Do you love writing? You could be a content writer or a copywriter. Are you creative and good with visuals? Graphic design might be for you. Make a list of everything you enjoy and are skilled in. Don't limit yourself. Even hobbies can be turned into a profitable freelance service. The key is to identify what you can do that someone else would pay for. Once you have a list, it's time to do some research. Go to popular freelance websites like Upwork, onlinejobs.ph, or Fiverr. Look at the job postings. What services are clients looking for? You will see a high demand for skills like social media management, video editing, customer service, and web development. Compare this list with your own list of skills. Find the overlap. This is your sweet spot. If you find your skills are not in high demand, don't worry. You can always learn something new. There are many free and affordable online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube that can teach you these valuable skills. Now, let's build your online presence. Your profile on a freelance platform is your digital storefront. It needs to be professional and compelling. Start with a clear, friendly profile picture. A simple headshot with a smile works best. Then, write a powerful headline. Instead of just writer, try SEO content writer for tech startups. Be specific. Your profile description is your chance to sell yourself. Talk about the problems you solve for clients. Use simple language. Break it down into short paragraphs or bullet points to make it easy to read. Show your personality and passion for your work. Your portfolio is your proof. It's where you showcase your best work. If you are just starting, you might not have client work to show. That's okay. You can create your own projects. If you're a writer, start a blog. If you're a graphic designer, create some sample logos or social media posts for imaginary brands. If you're a virtual assistant, create a presentation on how you can organize a client's schedule. These are called spec pieces. They demonstrate your skills and your initiative. A strong portfolio shows clients what you can do, making it easier for them to trust you and hire you for their projects. You have your skills ready and your profile polished. Now it's time for the exciting part. Finding work. Where do you find these online jobs, or as we say, rakits? The best places to start are established freelance platforms. Create accounts on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and especially onlinejobs.ph, which is focused on connecting Filipino talent with international clients. These platforms are bustling marketplaces filled with clients looking for your skills. Spend time exploring each one. Familiarize yourself with how they work, read their rules and guidelines. Each platform is a little different, so learn the ins and outs to maximize your chances of success. Searching for jobs requires a strategy. Don't just apply to everything you see. Use the platform's search filters to narrow down the options. Look for jobs that match your skills and interests. Read the job descriptions very carefully. What is the client really looking for? Do you understand their needs? Pay attention to the client's history on the platform. Do they have good reviews from other freelancers? Look for red flags like vague descriptions or requests for free work. It's better to be selective and apply for a few jobs that are a perfect fit than to send out 100 generic applications that get ignored. Writing a winning proposal is an art. This is your first direct conversation with a potential client. Do not use a generic copy-paste template. This is the fastest way to get your application thrown out. Address the client by name if you can find it. Start your proposal by showing that you have read and understood their job post. Repeat their main problem back to them in your own words. Then explain exactly how you can solve that problem. Connect your skills and experience directly to their needs. Keep it concise, professional, and friendly. End with a clear call to action, like I am available for a quick chat to discuss this further. Getting your first client is often the hardest part. It can feel discouraging when you face rejection. But remember, every successful freelancer was once a beginner. Be persistent. Keep refining your profile and proposals. Consider offering a slightly lower rate for your first 1 or 2 projects to get those crucial first reviews. A good review is like gold on these platforms. It builds trust and social proof. Once you land that first gig, give it your all. Over-deliver on quality and communication. A happy first client can lead to more work, a great testimonial, and the momentum you need to build a successful freelance career. Congratulations! You've landed your first few clients. Now, the challenge shifts to managing your work and building a sustainable business. Time management is your new best friend. As a freelancer, you are in charge of your own schedule. This freedom can be tricky. It's easy to get distracted or procrastinate. Use tools to help you stay organized. A simple calendar, a to-do list app like Trello or Asana, or even just a notebook can work wonders. Create a daily or weekly schedule. Block out specific times for client work, for finding new projects, and for personal time. This structure will help you stay productive and avoid burnout. Communication is everything in freelancing. Keep your clients updated on your progress. Be proactive. If you think you might miss a deadline, let them know as early as possible and explain why. It's better to be honest than to disappear. Respond to messages promptly. Be clear and professional in all your emails and chats. Good communication builds trust and strong relationships. Happy clients are more likely to hire you again. They are also more likely to recommend you to others. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, and it all starts with being a reliable and communicative freelancer. Once you are comfortable and have a steady stream of work, think about growth. How can you earn more? One way is to increase your rates. As you gain more experience and collect positive reviews, your value increases. Don't be afraid to charge what you are worth. Another way to grow is to specialize. Instead of being a general virtual assistant, you could become a virtual assistant for real estate agents. Specializing makes you an expert. Experts can command higher fees. You can also upsell or cross-sell services to your existing clients, offering them more value and increasing your income from each project. Don't stop learning. The digital world changes fast. The skills that are in demand today might not be in demand tomorrow. Dedicate time each month to learning and improving your craft. Take new courses. Read industry blogs. Listen to podcasts like my own, Freelance Blend, to stay inspired and informed. Think about the long term. You can grow from a solo freelancer into a business owner. You could eventually hire your own team of Filipino freelancers and build an agency. The journey from your first gig to a thriving freelance empire is possible. It starts with one step, and you have already taken it. Keep moving forward.